All you got to do is just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man, or just Google or Facebook or YouTube Timothy J. Douglas Sr. or call me. We're doing Jaguar today, Jaguar Caliente. Show you that in a second, but we're out here at Castell Insurance in Sequim, Washington. It's the building. Super nice people, great people in there. Castell Insurance in Sequim, Washington. We're doing the Jaguar Caliente today. Just finished this rim here. These are very special rims. They take a long time to do. Have to use a toothbrush on these rims here, and then you get the inner wheel clean. Get all the brake dust off. He has me come out every few months, and sometimes once a month in the summertime, and keep it as new as possible. You do the wheel wells also to get all the mud and dirt all out of the wheel wells. See it's nice and clean in there now. Got the car wash lady doing the interior of the car, beautifying it, making everything shine, and keeping it brand new. He keeps his car up really well, so he doesn't let it get bad. So that's nice. And so we'll take a look around on the other side here, and look at the other rim. It's a Porche Cayenne. And so this is what the rim looked like at first. And it takes about 15 minutes to clean these rims really good. And you got a bunch of different tools that you use here. You know, you got this brush that you use. You know, I have to use this brush right here. About time to get a brand new one of these. And you know, use it on the right around inside there and inside there. And after, you know, one of the final stages is you have to clean this area with the brush also too. So, but it's a detailing. See, it's not a macro wash; it's a micro wash. You see. So, just wanted to show you what the rims look like before. Super nice car. Yeah, this is Castell Insurance out here in Sequim, Washington. We do it at your business. We do it at your home, right in your driveway. If you got a garage on a rainy day, we'll do it inside there. You guys have a great day. It's right next to there. This is the area. Washington Street, or Washington Avenue in Sequim. Have a great day.